Good morning, class 7. The students, from today we are going to start the lesson 3. And the heading is the philanderer Tom. Here we are going to speak about a person, Tom, and his manner is all about melting by the beauty of a female. When we delve inside the story, we will understand about the attitude of the Tom and which types of action he is making, so that his brother is coming in a fix, that means coming in dilemma. And before that, this story has been set and on the great direction, and this story will give you the better guideline, and this story will tell you what we enjoy must we pay for. Now we are going to start the story. When I was a very small boy, I was made to learn by heart certain of the fable of the La Fontaine. You need to understand about word fable first. Means story. Here author is telling when he was child, a small boy, that means child. Actually, he was attracted by the hearing the stories, and especially when a person is boy, that means small boy. Person always you come to know is much sincere, much fascinated towards the listening stories, and in same situation is happening with the author, and author is depicting about his lifespan, whatever he has faced in his life. He is telling when he was a small child, he was impressed by listening of a story, and especially the story of the La Fontaine, and which kinds of story it was depicting. We will understand about such a story shortly. And the moral of each was carefully explained to me. And he is telling what the story was reading. It was trying to churn the story. I wanted to bring the story in my use, and he wanted to know the moral of the story, on what base the story has been designed, and what does the story really stand for. He wanted to copy such sorts of the talent in his life. Therefore, he is a successful person. Now, among those I learned was the ant and the grasshopper story. He had listened so many stories, but actually he had impressed hearing a story a lot. That story was about two insects. They were ant and grasshopper, which is devised to bring home to the young the useful lesson that in an imperfect world, industry is rewarded and giddiness punished. He is telling that first you need to understand about the word device. Device means desire or wish. He is telling one story is coming in his mind that is all about. It was on the base of the two insects, ants and grasshopper. He is telling, I want to bring such a story. Device means desire. He is desiring to bring such a story in his home, because he is telling, if I shall supply such business to in my family members, then they will also come to know about their gravity. They will walk in the great directions, and in such case we will always grow up. Now, what happens? Why he wants to bring the story that has been given here? He is telling to the young the useful lesson that in an imperfect world, industry is all about hard work. And first, the poet has mentioned imperfect world. This world is not perfect, because here there are many verses on the base of such versification. You can understand why the world is imperfect, not perfect. Because if you will work, then you can enjoy your life. The sort of income will come. If you will not work, then you can't. So what is happening here? if the people will work, then they can enjoy the life. If the people will not work, the person can't enjoy the life because they will have no money. And without the wealth, the person can't enjoy. So what is happening here, this theme is all about if the person can enjoy both stage. Actually, if he will earn in a spite, he can enjoy. If he will not earn in spite, he can enjoy beautifully. This is not happening. If the person will earn, then he can do, otherwise he can't. So therefore imperfect. If the word could be perfect, then either person will work or not. He or she will always enjoy. Therefore, the author is telling now the word is imperfect, and therefore he is telling if the word is imperfect, in such imperfect word, if you will work, then you will be rewarded. Otherwise, no. So a clear sentence is telling industry is rewarded and greediness. Greediness is all about lack of seriousness. Your laziness punished. If you are lazy, if you are not doing work, then you will be punished. You will be deprived from various benefits, various enjoyment. Going ahead, in this admirable tale, the ant spent a laborious summer gathering food for the coming winter, while the grasshopper spends all the time sitting on the grass and singing songs. We came to know that this story has been on the base of two insects. So what is happening here? What they both insects are doing here? Here one is ant, and what is ant is doing now? Ant is collecting food, gathering. That is all about collecting, making his store, making his storage. He is piling, he is collecting the food and piling in his ladder. Ladder is all about store. Because he is seeing or he is surmising that in winter, when winter will arrive, then what will happen? Now this is the summer, after that the winter will arrive, then there will be a scarcity of food. Hardly will find out the food, and actually there will be the very low degree of temperature. If I shall go outside, then I can be attacked by the winter, and in such case I have to lose my life. Therefore he is telling, so in such means I have need to store the grain, and if I shall store, then I shall manage from my storage. I don't have need to go outside, as he is expecting. But other hand, grasshopper, what the grasshopper is doing? He enjoying the summer. He is, in what way he is enjoying? He is singing songs on the grass. He is doing nothing. What the material he is finding, he is eating. After that, he is completely wasting his time. He has nothing to do with his future. Therefore, he is not making his plan towards the future. When winter comes, the ant had a good store, but the grasshopper has an empty ladder. What is happening here? When winter comes, for what the ant was storing the food? When the time has come, the ant has great store, but grasshopper has none. So grasshopper will not enjoy the food. He goes to the ant and begs for little food. The ant gives him a classical answer. Classical answer, as your book depicts, this is excellent. He is telling that when he felt hungry, he is going to the ant, because ant has good store of food. He is going there and he is asking about food. But now still giving, the ant is telling him, he has given a nice reply. What were you doing in summer? He is telling, when I was collecting the foods from the different directions in summer season. What were you doing? Now the grasshopper is replying, I sang all day, all night. He is replying beautifully that he was completely busy in singing. Whether it was day, whether it was night, he kept singing. Now what is happening? You sang. That ant is replying, on that time you were singing. Why? Then go and dance the winter away. He is telling, on that time you were singing. Why were you singing? Why were you not making your storage? So if you were singing in summer, then it is winter. Now you have to perform your dancing. Now go for dancing. On that time in summer you were singing. Now in winter you should dance. The fable ends with the moral: industry is rewarded and greediness is punished. This is all about the moral of the story, that if I shall work hard, if I shall toil, then I shall get the benefit. Instead of this, if I am not doing, then I shall avoid from the sort of the business, sort of the happiness. Greediness is all about lack of seriousness. If I shall be not serious about coming future, then I shall be in poor condition. This was all about the crux point. But actually now our main story is starting from now. This is the universally truth. If we will work, then we will get success. But there is a person, he is not working. In spite of this, he is making his luck victory. How is it happening? We are going to start. I could never agree to this moral. My sympathy were with a grasshopper, and for some time I never saw an ant without putting my foot on it. Before starting the point, before starting the story, real story, there is a sentence before that. Actually here the author is telling what the ant has made the mesh. The ant should not do like this. If the ant has such store of food, ant should have given a meager part, a meager portion. Ant should have given to the grasshopper. He is telling, the author is telling, I am not agree with the ant. If I shall be there, then I could prudent black the ant. Prudent is all about the crush under feet. Then I shall crush the such business of the such attitude of ant I should crush, as he is depicting. Now we are going to start the lesson, main theme of the story. The other day, when I saw my friend George Ramsey taking lunch by himself in a restaurant, what happened? Arthur saw his friend while in restaurant and he was having his meal. The fable again came to my mind. Same story, same moral had reached in my mind. He's telling, I had never seen anyone in such deep gloom. Seeing his figure, seeing his face, he came to know the person he is in the deep sorrow. Gloom is all about worry, sadness. He looked as though the burden of the whole world sat on his shoulders. He came to know the person is really in great sorrow. It is seeming that he is facing the sorrow, facing the gloom of entire world. All kinds of worries from the different world lie over his shoulder. I was sorry for him. He is thinking his friend was in gloom condition, therefore he was not also feeling very well. I suspected at once that this young brother, his younger brother, Tom, had again caused him some trouble. Suspected is all about doubted. Actually, he started suspecting, doubting that he is sad. It is only because of his brother, younger brother. Which type of business his brother is manufacturing, you will understand ahead. Actually, this is not good to say now. I went upon him and held out my hands. Now, the author is going to him and trying to ask here. Held out my hand as he is trying to know about his reason behind his worry. How are you? I asked. Now, author is asking about his apprehension, about his condition. I am not very happy, he answered. Now Ramsey, that means his friend is replying that he was not happy, not everything was not going well in his life. It is Tom again. Author is asking, it is Tom again. That means Tom, is this Tom who made you trouble again? Yes, it is Tom. He's replying, yes, because of Tom, I am sad again, as he is telling. Now, dear students, today we are going to avoid, that means leave the part first, and in the part second we will try to cover all the entire chapter. Thank you very much. You have need to memorize the words, and words are much important. We have already discussed, and some of the standard words you are facing here, you have need to manage out. Thank you very much.